We are going darker, spicier, and a bit mysterious. Today, we make the Midnight Mojito. Let's keep things super simple today. All you need is a bar spoon, a glass, and good ingredients. But there's a twist. We are going to be using Dark Rum, Angostura Amaro, and Rum for a bit of spicier notes. We'll top it up with some ginger bitters to add additional kick to it. Now let's build the drink. Glass, 4 to 5 fresh mints, sugar, rum, 1.5 ounce, Amaro, 1/2 ounce, platinum, but you can also use simple syrup, 1/2 ounce, 1/2 ounce lime juice, ginger bitters, 2 dash. That wasn't enough. They really add a nice kick into your drink, especially where you have a little bit of mint involved. Saline, 2 drops. Now I'm just going to give it a quick muddle. Gentle. By the way, he is Ziggy. Hi. Ziggy, will you help me make a cocktail today? Tell the people, what's your favorite cocktail? I'll add a bit of soda water. Just gently lift it a tiny bit. Block of ice. That's a big ice. A little bit more soda topper. Okay. Mint to garnish, and a straw. Cheers, the Midnight Mojito. Nice. You still get that minty mojito vibes, but along with it comes the bold rum, the warmth of Amaro, and the spicy notes of ginger. They all come beautifully together. It's refreshing, but a bit grown up. Cheers. See you next time.